Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and these are the two Redfern and Drakeford serving plates or cake plates that we are listing in this series. We've got the teacup trios in this design, dates from 1905 through to 1914. Different china marks on these two plates, although side by side you can't tell them apart. They are identical and have probably come off the same production line, may have even been produced at around the same period. This one we think has the slightly earlier marks. These were used from around 1890 through to around 1909. And then this one, if I just transfer it over and show you the slightly later 1909 to 1914 mark on here, a green Balmoral China mark with R&D for Redfern and Drakeford and the England on there. So interesting the way some of these china marks do vary from plate to plate. But put them together, they are exactly the same mould, same match, same decorator's touch to them. You know, from the front you really can't tell these apart, so I don't think, unless you're absolutely insistent on wanting one with a specific china mark, it makes much difference which one we send you. But if you are just buying one, because these will be listed separately, do in the checkout comments let us know which one you want, and the first buyer will obviously get their choice of either of those two china marks. We do have lovely trios available in this. The shell moulding on this design is absolutely gorgeous. Can you see it coming through here with this rotated ribbing coming up to these points on the rim of these serving plates? The dimensions and everything will be on the website. I'm guessing they're about 9.5 to 10 inches roughly in diameter. Slightly elevated, as you can see at the rims as they stand on a table, probably rising to around an inch. And there is a curvature, as you can tell, on the rims. They're not absolutely flat, but that central well does make them suitable for small cakes and sandwiches, although I wouldn't put a round, large 10-inch Victoria sponge on this. It would sag in the middle a little bit. Go for a glass flat bottom cake plate if you're serving one of those. But there you go. Won't get into the cooking tips right now. Let's stick with the china. Description link below will take you through onto the website listing for these two, Redfern and Drakeford, around 1900 to 1914 at the very latest. These are 110 years old, possibly 130, but leave you to make your decision. Follow the link, all the details are there. Thanks for watching.